Alright guys, so we are getting into today one of my favorite things to open up, mystery boxes. I actually just put some mystery boxes on my own website, blazendary.com, so by the time you guys see this video, they will be restocked. We have 4 different options available, put together by my amazing team. With that being said though, we have a box from the Sneakercon team. Now, Sneakercon and I have done a mystery box in the past. I would check out both of those videos if you're interested in learning about Sneakercon, because this right here is yet another mystery box, and I think the value is around $2,000, which is a pretty hefty box. We're gonna get some stuff in here I'm gonna wanna resell. I'm gonna put this stuff on my Sneakercon app for sale, so maybe some of you guys will catch the deals that we might be listing later in this video. 30-pound box. 30 pounds right here on the label. Maybe we'll be able to get that on camera. I'm really excited to open this one up, and if you guys are excited to watch this get opened, please do me a favor, hit the like button. Make that blue, because it really helps my channel out. It's good for the YouTube algorithm, because apparently you need likes these days to get recommended. So without further ado, let's just cut this open real quick. I want to get the top shot on camera. You know what? This is about to get really dangerous really quick. We got some crazy videos coming up. Sorry for my absence, guys. I've actually been really paying attention to the stock market. That takes up a lot of time of my day, especially with like research and stuff like that. It's something that's a new interest of mine. I'm working on managing that schedule along with my creation schedule, so bear with me. But that doesn't mean I haven't filmed. I'll give you guys a little teaser right now of the next video that's coming out on the Blazendary channel. Yeah, your boy got the bike. So if you want to see a whole video on that, that's going to come out for a Take My Money Tuesday very, very soon. I just like to take a while on videos that I really want to make look really professional. Okay, here we go. This is the money shot. The 20 by 20 by 20 U-line. You already know this is some business right here. Like this video if you have not. Let's see, however many likes this video has, when you like it is how many years of good luck you're getting multiplied by 20. All right, enough of this. Let's proceed. Download Sneakercon on your phone. Just visit the App Store or visit sneakercon.com if you do not have an iPhone. I also want to take this moment to say congratulations to our giveaway winners the past couple videos. Watch every video in order. You'll learn a lot along the way and get the access to giveaways. So coming in at pair number 1, we got a size 9.5 Yeezy Boost 350. Oh no, not these babies. You know, personally, I cannot get behind the, what are these? The Yecheil? Yecheil? How do you pronounce it? Yecheil?
I'm not sure.
I have no idea. I really have no idea, bro. I think this mishmash of colorways is just... I couldn't see myself rocking this orange and teal in the first place, let alone combining it with a lime, earth tone, and sort of like this grayish white. The infamous sound from the Yeezy box. These will definitely be one of the pairs that I'm gonna sell on the Sneakercon app. So I'm gonna put these off to the side. I don't know, the colorway is not that appealing to me. I think we can turn a good profit on them. All right, this next pair, it's a Jordan box. Now, I haven't been keeping up with some of the new Jordans just because anytime I see one and it's not that appealing to me, I don't normally pay attention to it. So I'm guessing this is gonna be like the UNC just based on the color of the box. I'm gonna guess it's the Air Jordan 3 UNC. Sure enough, we have a size 12. Definitely a sneaker that is not gonna fit me. You already know I'm gonna go ahead and hit the sell button on these. This is definitely gonna be one of those popular colorways that I see rising in value over the course of a couple years. Original Jordans generally don't go for that much anymore, but because of that Bulls documentary, some of the prices have just skyrocketed. This was a player exclusive that was only available to the players who played basketball at UNC. So they made a general release. They took off the UNC logos and just put Jumpman logos instead. Obviously, we know where the inspiration comes from. I just think this is a really dope sneaker, but it's a size 12 and a half. Yep. So that means I'm gonna go ahead, hit the sell button. I'm gonna pull up the Sneakercon app. So I just pulled up on my phone the Sneakercon UNC listing. So I'm gonna hit sell, add to marketplace. I got a 12.5. Here's the best part. When you go to a Sneakercon event, or if you send your shoes to Sneakercon, you sell your shoes on Sneakercon, whatever it may be, you'll always get a Sneakercon tag. This is important because I can hit right here, scan it, boom, the app will register as authentic and you'll be able to ship the sneakers directly to the buyer, which is a huge benefit because it could save a lot of time and you get a nifty little NFC tag to show off to your friends. So the condition of these obviously are brand new with original box. So if I set the price tag at, let's see here, $410, I'll make $377, which is a lot better than competing platforms. And this is how you're gonna get the best bang for your buck selling on Sneakercon, add them to the marketplace. Super simple and it's so easy to do with the tag. All right guys, right here we have a size 11. Let's see, the Air Max 90 SP. Ooh, the duck camo Air Max 90s? Man, I have not seen a pair of these in what years? What year did these come out? Like 2013? They re-released them in 2019. Your boy is not up to speed on the Air Max 90s. It's been a minute since I've rocked a pair of Air Max 90s. And if you guys haven't seen my bespoke video, my friend Max made a really cool pair of Air Max 90s where he and I customized our own one-of-one Nike sneakers. A great video. You can check out the iCard if you want to watch it in the top right of this video. I think it's going to be right there, something like that. Air Max 90s are really underrated nowadays, especially with all this new hype of the SBs coming back. I never really see any of my friends busting out their Air Max 90s, so if somebody wants a really good deal on a duck camo Air Max 90, size 11, hit me up, I'm your guy. My size 11, I think I'm gonna sell for right around maybe $230. So I'm gonna hit this little sell button. It's gonna come up, Air Max 90 infrared duck camo. Look at how easy it is to sell this. Sell. You know what, 235, all right? These are clean, the reverse duck camos. I added these for sale within like 7 seconds. Yo, you know, if you're a customizer, you should try and cop these and throw some Bape heads in there. That would be like sick, like a Bape Air Max 90 custom. That'd be wild. All right, guys, well, looks like Sneakercon loves their 350 V2s, so we're gonna get into another one of these for sale. Hopefully it's gonna be a money pair because I need some money from this mystery box. What the hell are these? Oh, come on. We got the Desert Planners, Caterpillar Jones with the what is that on the bottom? Why squash a bumblebee, bro?
Banana panel?
Hey, yo, at least they're sending me some dead stock V2s. You can't go wrong with dead stock because you can just sell them so easily. Hit that little scan tag, especially if you're rocking Sneakercon Legit. I'm only talking Sneakercon Legit too, I know. Sulfurs, that's what they're called, Markel, the Sulfurs. A 9.5 in the Sulfurs is kind of rocking around like a $290, $280 price range. And I want you guys to keep this in mind because if you hold brand new Yeezys for like a year, 2 years, the chances of them having more value is a lot more likely than you getting the quick flip after 2 months. You can treat your sneakers as assets that you kind of just put your money away in like a little piggy bank. You store it on a shelf and it will just grow in value little by little each year, especially if it's brand new. I can already accept an offer for $230 if I really wanted the quick cash, which is good to know, but I'm gonna stick my guns at $288. Bro, could you really see yourself rocking these?
I can.
You can?
Can you?
Maybe with some like, what color jeans would you wear? Black?
Black or green.
Green?
They would have to match.
I will say about the new 350s, I'll give them this. I really like this weave that they got going on within this toe box. And I have to always say, the stripe is a really dope feature of the 350. It's like a car stripe, like a car race stripe. Yo, we got an Air Jordan 5 box. Thank goodness your boy has been blessed by, I don't know, somewhere. I've been growing. I have to sell a lot of stuff. I can't fit a lot of it. So maybe these will be some new Johns to wear. Damn, they just might be. These right here are the black metallic 5s. I absolutely love this sneaker. And I'll even prove it to you. I'll prove to you my love by grabbing something that I've been holding on to for a little while. I actually have a sole swapped 1999 pair of metallic 5s, and a sole swap pair basically means that when you have a pair of sneakers this old, they're generally unwearable. An unwearable pair of sneakers means, well, what's unwearable? The midsole, sole swapped, sole, midsole. They take this part of the sneaker, they remove it, and they add one from a present day Air Jordan 5 or some sort of donor sneaker. You could get other models of sneakers that have similar, you know, midsoles. The Air Jordan 5 though is pretty unique with that little shark tooth pattern right there. So all in all, you get a sole swap pair and you can make your OGs wearable again, or even your OG retros. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and say they did make a retro of the OG model. So I'm gonna go ahead and say keeping this on ice wouldn't be a bad idea, especially on the prices going up after the new Bulls documentary. Well, Sneakercon really just couldn't contain their excitement for Yeezys. We have a pair of 700s right here. Let's see what we got. Oh man, what are these? Oh, I don't even know. That's how not up to speed I am on Yeezys. What are these? Oh man, here we go. We're gonna play Editing Jeopardy. Am I gonna get this right or wrong, Giancarlo, in the future? These are the 700 triple black.
Nope.
Not my cup of tea, personally. So I'm gonna go ahead. You already know. Get my scan on. Boop. The Vanta, yep. The 700 Vanta Sell. The final pair that we got right here is an Air Jordan 1 box. I don't really wear an 8.5 anymore, and I'm a little disappointed that I no longer can, so I'm gonna sell them. 8.5 Air Jordan 1, gotta be a good money size if they're brand new. Retro High OG Royal Toe. We're gonna sell them because they are an 8.5 Air Jordan, and I just don't fit that. That's not my size anymore. I think this is a really clean colorway, and I would personally rock it if it was a 9.5. I'd love to wear these actually. So what did you guys think of the lineup? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of sneakers. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Yo, I said it. If you guys want a giveaway, it's so simple. Like this video, make the color of that like button blue. It's your job at this point. And I'm really asking you to just leave a comment on what your favorite sneaker was that I got out of this mystery box. And you'll have a chance to win this shower cap. Leave your Instagram so I can DM you and get in contact with you. Super simple. Quick giveaway, why not? Because I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night, day. Whenever you're watching, we'll see you guys very soon with the channel and the uploads. Coming soon, working on these really awesome videos. I'm so happy to come out with this stuff. That's it. It's your boy Blazendary signing out. Stay positive and peace.